Hey guys, Marissa here. So we're doing a two-strand twist out today. And as you can see, I have my growth oil on the ends of my hair, on the ends of my finger that now I am going to rub onto my two-strand twist. This helps with preventing frizzing, so they say, but I still get frizzing, but you know, I work with what I got. So as you can see, I'm detangling, well, loosing out, let's say that, the two-strand twist. And now I am taking one part of it and stretching it and using my fingertips to kind of unravel it so that it can naturally split to avoid as much frizz, which I always get. That is something that I know I can't get rid of. So as you can see, I'm loosening it from the end and then I'm just taking one section and unraveling it. And as you see, I'm again pulling the strand and letting it naturally split wherever it wants to just split. And I'm doing it again. Now, one of the best ways to get good results with twist out is to not be skimpy on your products. Make sure your hair is nicely moisturized with water. Make sure you have your moisturizer and whatever curling gel that you're using or curling putty. Just make sure you use a generous amount, making sure that it is saturated all through your hair, and that's what really helps with your results. So as you can see, I'm continuing to just loose them out, taking my time. And I'm at a point where my twist outs is whatever results I get it. Like I have not mastered getting consistent, successful twist outs. So I've just learned to rock what I've been blessed with and continue to just try my best to master twist outs, because if you notice, a lot of sections are still very frizzy. Like this one, I must he tied it down, and how I tied it down, this twist was a little flat, so I had to give it a little life, but overall I like it. I think the curling gel gave it a good definition. Next time I may even pour on a little more curling gel so that the curls could even be even more perfect. But I overall love the results. If your hair isn't moist at this time, you can take some of your curling butter or oil and rub it on your hair lightly. As you can see, I'm using my big comb to puff it up. If you have thinning hair, this is a trick that us naturals do. We use the big combs to puff up, use bobby pins to pin hair where you want it to stay. Those are some of the tricks that we use. No one here is perfect. We just learn to work with what we've got. So this is the results. Thank you guys so much for watching. And as always, it's a pleasure. And keep on liking, subscribing. Love you guys.